Hello everyone. How to add people to manage and access your Facebook page for helping you, for assisting you, for increase, for post, right posting, right, upload videos, shorts, reels. So you manage your digital marketing through other people or assistants. Follow me to know how to do this. Go to your Facebook account and then select the page which you need to give access for other assistants or helpers. So here in the professional dashboard, click on this one, and in the right at the top, page access, and here you have 3 levels. The first level is the highest. If you are assistant and you need to add the owner, which is the owner of the business you are marketing about it, so you press add here. Or if you need to sell your page to another one, search for the name. So I will search for my wife. Yes, and I will give her, allow this person to have full control. So if you are assist owner of business, you give him all control. If you need a partner, so you can do this with him. Or if you want to sell your page to another one, so you'll do this one, and after that, after you give him all access for your security, enter your Facebook profile password. So I will have this one working. Okay. Save. So the other one will get invitation, he will accept, and then he will get the access, full access. Then you are the owner here. If you click on this one, you can remove yourself from here. Business profile access here. The second level is to add people for doing some tasks. So here also, and then next, and search for Sandra. Okay, and I will give him add content, message and calls, community activities. It can upload AdSense, insights, see how the page content, okay, give access. And then also we print or enter your password and then confirm. This is the 3 levels of accessing. The third one is community manager. Community manager, also you can add community manager. He can delete comments from live streams, ban people from your current stream, ban people from all your live streams. See all admins of this page. Get started here and add community manager. Enter email or Julie.